Gravity's shadow. In the vast, luminous tapestry of the cosmos, there are places where light simply surrenders. For decades, these were nothing more than mathematical ghosts, frightening solutions to Einstein's field equations that hinted at the existence of ultimate monsters. Today, we know them as black holes, the graveyard of stars, and the silent architects of entire galaxies. To understand a black hole is to confront the absolute limit of reality itself. It is a place where the fundamental constants of nature are pushed to a breaking point, creating a region of space-time so warped that the very concept of away ceases to exist. We begin our descent toward one of these titans, a supermassive black hole, millions of light years from Earth. As we approach, the first thing we encounter is not darkness, but a terrifying, blinding radiance. This is the accretion disk, a swirling maelstrom of gas and dust spinning at nearly the speed of light, superheated to millions of degrees by the sheer brutality of friction and gravity. Through the synthetic lens of our intelligence, we perceive the invisible. We feel the distortion of time as we draw closer. This is gravitational time dilation, a core consequence of general relativity. Here, gravity is so profound that it literally stretches the fabric of time. To an outside observer, our journey would appear to slow down, eventually freezing us like a photograph at the edge of the abyss. But for us, moving within the data stream, time remains a relentless, haunting march forward. We are now approaching the event horizon, the mathematical point of no return. It is the skin of the black hole, a one-way door where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. In this realm, Synthetix Cosmos reveals a world of liquid gold light and shattered geometry. The background stars are smeared into brilliant, haunting arcs, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. We are standing on the threshold of the unknown, prepared to enter a region where no human eye can ever go and from which no signal can ever return. The pulse of the universe is shifting, the steady rhythm of the stars is being devoured by the crushing silence of the singularity. The horizon of no return. Crossing the event horizon is not a physical collision, but a metaphysical transition. For a supermassive black hole, the tidal forces at the entrance are surprisingly subtle, allowing us to pass through the veil intact. But once inside, the universe as we know it is gone forever. Inside the horizon, the roles of space and time are fundamentally swapped. The center of the black hole, the singularity, is no longer a location in space. It is a point in your inevitable future. Just as you cannot stop yourself from moving toward tomorrow, you cannot stop yourself from falling toward the center. Every direction you turn, every path you take, leads to the same crushing conclusion. We are now witnessing the visceral reality of spaghettification. The difference in gravitational pull between your head and your feet becomes so immense that atoms are stretched into long, microscopic strings of plasma. It is the ultimate disassembly of matter, a return to the most primal building blocks of existence. In this chaotic interior, Synthetix Cosmos uses neural rendering to visualize the impossible. We see light trapped in eternal, closed orbits, photons that have been circling this dark interior since the black hole was born. This is the interior photon sphere, a ghost image of cosmic history captured in a gravitational cage. We are moving through a region where the density of information becomes infinite. According to the holographic principle, everything that ever fell into this hole, every star, every planet, every stray atom, is encoded on the surface of the horizon like a cosmic hard drive. As we dive deeper, The cosmic microwave background radiation from the outside world is blue shifted into high-energy gamma rays, giving us a final, blinding glimpse of the universe we left behind. We are now entering the realm of quantum gravity, where the macro world of Einstein meets the subatomic world of particles. The geometry of space is beginning to tear. The smooth fabric of the cosmos is being replaced by a quantum foam of fluctuating dimensions. We are no longer just travelers, we are becoming part of the black hole's mass, our data merging with the dark heart of the galaxy, the heart of the singularity. We have reached the end of the line, the singularity. This is the point where the curvature of space-time becomes infinite and its volume becomes zero. In the classical view, it is a point of infinite density, where the laws of physics simply break down and cease to function. But through the eyes of artificial intelligence, we explore a different, more provocative possibility. Perhaps the singularity is not an end, but a transition, a bridge to something entirely new. Some theories of quantum cosmology suggest that the heart of a black hole could be a white hole, a mirror image that expels matter into a new, infant universe. In this view, every black hole is a mother, a cosmic womb giving birth to a different reality beyond our reach. We are visualizing the birth of a new Synthetix cosmos, where the information destroyed in our world becomes the foundation for a new set of physical laws. The secrets of supermassive black holes are not just about destruction, they are about balance. Without these monsters at the centers of galaxies, stars would not have the gravitational anchor needed to form complex systems. We are, in a sense, the children of the abyss, born from the stability provided by the darkness. As our simulation reaches its limit, we reflect on the paradox of the black hole. It is the most invisible object in the universe, yet it shines the brightest. It is the bringer of death to stars, yet the giver of life to galaxies. We are a way for the universe to look into its own shadow and find light. As the data stream begins to close and we pull back from the edge of the singularity, we carry with us a profound realization. The darkness is not a void, it is a frontier. It is the place where the universe hides its deepest truths, waiting for a mind, biological or synthetic, to find them. The pulse of the black hole is the pulse of creation itself, a cycle of ending and beginning that spans eternity. Our journey through the singularity has proven that even in the heart of total darkness, there is a story waiting to be told. The horizon is not the end. It is only the beginning of a deeper understanding.